My name's Dave Jackson. I work for a company called Kilo Limited. We're based in Kings Winford in the West Midlands. We supply and distribute primarily into the food industry, selling food additives, sweeteners, preservatives. We import all our goods from all around the world and we'll distribute anywhere in the UK from 5 kilos up to 20 pallets, next day delivery. About 6 years ago, we just built a warehouse. Initially we started with just using an Excel spreadsheet, managing the stock, but quickly within sort of 6-12 months that proved to be harder and harder. So we started looking at various warehouse management systems. The reasons for choosing Dexterity, at the time we were Sage users, so we were looking for a company which was seamless sort of transition really, and Dexterity ticked all the boxes. Here at Kilo we have the potential to hold roughly about 4,500 pallets. We dispatch about 30,000 units per month. The benefits moving to a warehouse management system makes the business more efficient, more streamlined. A lot of our products are batch driven. Having Dexterity in place enables us to turn stock around quickly and efficiently whilst doing continuous stock takes as well. Dealing with live information enables the sales guys to see exactly what we've got on the ground at any given time. Having a warehouse management system gives us the opportunity to drill into KPIs, to individual performances, to track what people are doing and how long it's taking them. The benefits are enormous. The upgrade from Dexterity 3 to Dexterity 4 was seamless. We literally closed the business down on a Friday afternoon and on the Monday morning the guys started with Dexterity 4. The quickness of the guns has been noticed by all the staff. Productivity is better, efficiency is better. The aim is to get to where we can, a paperless system. Upgrading to the new guns, having the camera function on there. When we have collections, we can take vehicle registration pictures as proof of PODs. When we have damages coming from suppliers, having the ability to take instant photos, upload them to our system and send them off to our suppliers, all helps with us in claiming breakages for insurance purposes. We've been working with Dash Computers now for 5, 6, 7 years. Built up a very positive relationship. Should we have any problems, advice is always at hand. They're always willing to take on board feedback and any improvements that we're looking to make our business better. We've already made a couple of improvements and have monthly upgrades, which again helps the business to be more efficient and be more productive.